when I went to Supreme Courthouse, Appellate Division Department, they asked me to fill this out after my appeal went straight to them from family court. So I filled it out. It was requesting that I want a lawyer and waive the fee. So I wrote this letter out to them and they notarized it. They notarized it, but I got mad and I ripped it up. Here go the notarized document down here. I ripped it up because I received this letter right here after I wrote the letter. And if you can really see the documents where it says anonymous, why they have anonymous near my daughter, why these people do not want to reveal themselves, consolidated cases with these cases numbers. Why the word consolidated cases are in these documents? What are they hiding and why these judges are allowing it? Now, further of all, I wrote the letter. As you can see, I ripped it because I was mad because the same day I received this letter, I went and wrote this letter the next day and came back on the 23rd. And had it notarized. They didn't want to notarize this letter. They didn't want to notarize this letter because I withdraw the request form of asking for a lawyer. Do you see these documents numbers? These document numbers is going to the Supreme Court. They refuse to accept my withdrawal request. So now all of a sudden I received this letter in the mail from the Appellate Division, secondary, whatever that department. They are going to go through it. They're going to go against my letter of withdrawing the case, and they're going to follow up on themselves. I just want to put these records involved so that way they can see exactly what is going on. Now, according to my appeal that I have written to go to the appellate board, this is the documents I submitted in. Okay? These are the documents I submitted in. The family court told me to mail it to them. I did. Somehow it was not approved in the courthouse. Okay, I even wrote an affidavit that was exempt out of Supreme Courthouse. They deliberately, what they did was threw my documents in the garbage, right in my face. Okay, that also is notarized. Okay, I also gave them a copy of a show of cause. If you look in the right-hand corner, you can see that I had submitted this document and that my life was threatened at 150 William Street. This is the show of cause document where on the top right, where the family courthouse clerk signed it and the judge did not approve of it. These are my documents of show of cause. Okay, and that case going back to May 30th, right? So this is the case. I have to go back. This is what I got on, I have to go back on May 30th to do another case for, to see if I can get custody or visitation for the children. These are the court orders that I did. I went on the 13th of February, which you can see in the corner, right? What happened was they turned around and told me to go home because no parties came. But in the meantime, this order came out, right? This order came out saying that they don't want me to know what's going on in a permanency hearing, and I cannot receive any notice or a copy of any permanency hearing. Why they excluded me out of the permanency hearing, I cannot answer that. Every courthouse I went to has my signature of asking for a full investigation, right? And right about now, every courthouse This is a document shows that the family court requests that my daughter sign a passport. For what? For what? For what? Okay? These are, I'm showing you documentations. So therefore, this judge, Suzanne Danford or Danford, whatever her name is, made these orders without my consent. I had no knowledge of these dates of these orders. I had no knowledge of none of these decisions. They are excluding me out of the court system. I don't know why. I done nothing. I don't know why they're doing this. Every courthouse I've been to with my signature on it, they all turned their back on me as they are all down of taking black children away from their family. I'm putting this video out because they also bamboo a lot of parents that I had coming to my support group. They threatened them, and they threatened them with their children. So they are living in fear right now. So this is, I'm just telling y'all a little bit of what's going on with this case. Okay? I'll keep you posted. Thank you.